Hey Alpha fam, welcome back to another episode of Alpha Commission. Today on Alpha Commission, of course, we're going to go over that little bit of a pump on the BTC chart, guys. If we do just take a look at altcoins over here, you can see that they are advancing on the move with Band having an astounding 40% movement there. Got a little bit of a pump and dump on TRB, and let's just go over to the BTC chart where you can see that we have mostly fulfilled the majority of the momentum pool that we did set up in the last episode. And of course, we've been following with additional momentum pools as it has been tightening, as price action has basically been restrained in a range. And that just lowers volatility, which means that there's a higher chance that it could pump either to the upside or to the downside. Volatility is direction neutral. That volatility pivot has come down underneath us. That's what we were looking for. Previously, it was overhead on the daily, but now it's below us, meaning it's supporting our move to the upside here. So I consider this a genuine move. Now, there still is the possibility, being that our momentum pool is so slim, just occupying 27,229 to 27,186, that we could fall out of the pool, attempt to recover some of this liquidity down here towards the neutral point of the neutral point of control, which we are currently above, somewhere around 27,000, and perhaps we could just retest the pivot at 26,791, or even come down to the bay line over here at 26,514. Now, this is a pretty critical zone for me. I do not want to see us violating 26,514 on a flash wick. I think we are going to just end up getting quagmired in weakness underneath this kind of wedge down here if we do end up taking out this low and getting embedded in these lower areas. But sometimes the chart just does that. Sometimes market makers just want to do that. However, as long as we're above the volatility pivot, above 26,791, my bias is going to be to the upside. So if we do have a pullback, that's fine. Just I would like to see us close above 27,000. 27,000 is going to be a line of strength here. And if you really want to see strength, then on the weekly, which we did just have a weekly close, we're going to want to see something around 27,600. Now, we're doing okay here, but again, we want to be above this $27,000 zone. We don't want to get quagmired back into that $26,000 to $25,000 area. If we do that, we're probably just going to go sideways or down for the next couple months. But if we can maintain this kind of 26 to 27, maybe even higher area, then I'm still going to be looking towards the upside. And of course, if we do get above that 27,600 on the weekly, which of course is a week away now, or if we just start to capture these $28,000 levels on multiple daily candles, then I will suggest that most likely we're going to have some type of possibility for bullish continuation, maybe even into the bull market, guys. If we do go to our bull market watch, of course, we can take a look at the weekly here, where you can see that our Bollinger Band midline, where whenever we are below that midline, we are in a bear market, and whenever we're above it, we are in a bull market. And currently, we're just hanging on to it by the skin of our teeth. You can see the weekly wick just right there, just wicked right to that Bollinger Band midline, and currently we are retracing from it, unfortunately. However, it's a new week, so we actually have 7 days in order to try to get above 27,300, but due to the volatility pivot, I really want to see us to have a close above 27,600 on that weekly. Again, we can talk about that, maybe 5 days or so from now, but on a daily basis, we are going to just be looking for that daily strength somewhere around 27,240 to be certain. And if we just have some pullbacks, you know, intra week, to take out some of this liquidity somewhere around 27,000. As long as we hold that neutral point of control, we're still pretty good. So guys, I am still looking up at the current moment. Yes, there is a very easy chance of a pullback, but that's trading for you. So guys, I think I'm going to leave it there. That's your alpha for the day. Stay safe and happy trading.